How to edit your display language on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to edit your display language on TikTok. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first, open up the TikTok app on your mobile device, then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once in your profile, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down to get to the option that says Language and tap on that option. Then tap on the App Language button, which is the top one in the next menu. And here you can just scroll through and edit your display language on TikTok to whichever language you would prefer. So just choose on the one that you'd prefer, then tap on Done at the top, and then you're done. And that's what it takes to edit your display language on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.